Namaste. Respected members of the management, our esteemed guests, staff, and my dear students. As a very happy Independence Day to each one of you. As a tricolor rises above us today, it carries with it the weight of our history and the promise of our future. It is a symbol of sacrifices that gave us freedom and the shared responsibility to protect and nurture it. We are deeply honored to welcome the visionary leaders from the KGK and the DLS group. Your support, guidance, and belief in our vision have enabled the Shri Ram Universal School, Jaipur, to become a place where tradition and modernity walk hand in hand, and where each student is prepared to meet the challenges of the world with confidence and grace. As the nation is making giant strides towards realizing the government's vision of Viksit Bharat by 2047, the theme of this year's celebration is Naya Bharat. It is not just about skyscrapers, satellites, and digital technology. It is about the values we live by. It is about building a nation that is not only strong and advanced, but also ethical, compassionate, and rooted in the heritage. As we dream of and work towards the new India, we at the Shri Ram Universal School stand firmly on our four core values, that is, integrity, sensitivity, pride in one's own culture, and the pursuit of excellence. These are not just words on the wall. They are the living principles that shape every interaction, every lesson, and every achievement. Since our first day together on 16th April, our journey has been full of purpose and progress. Our aim has been simple: to ensure the holistic development of every child who becomes a part of our community. We have organized engaging activities to foster hands-on learning. I would like to share a few of them. The Earth Day to raise global awareness and environmental issues and promoting planetary protection. Sugar Awareness Day, educating our young learners about the effects of excessive sugar intake and promoting healthier choices. One Mahotsav, tree plantation drive that fostered environmental awareness and highlighted the importance of trees in maintaining ecological balance. These experiences empower our children to become eco-conscious citizens, contributing to a healthier and greener future. We have strengthened learning by experience, where concepts are understood through engagements and real-life connections. Our No Bad Days have been a huge success, focusing on conceptual understanding across subjects. This interactive engagement, by moving beyond traditional textbook learning, we are fostering a love for learning and promoting academic excellence. Our approaches to teaching is inquiry-based, experiential, and project-based, along with interactive classroom panel, math, ICT, and science labs, have made learning more relevant, exciting, and challenging for our students. Our students have benefited from guest speaker sessions, educational field trips, and research projects, which have developed their critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Reflective platforms like Wonder Time and Discovery Time have encouraged curiosity and exploration. Inter-house activities such as quizzes, technology day, and cultural celebrations have built teamwork, leadership skills, promoting academic and personal growth. At our school, sports and extracurricular activities play a pivotal role in shaping well-rounded individuals. To a diverse range of sports, including taekwondo, cricket, pickleball, athletics, and yoga, our students cultivate physical fitness and mental strength. Furthermore, the participation in esteemed events like Model United Nations, cultural programs, and inter-school competitions has not only honed their academic prowess, but also fostered confidence, empathy, and deep sense of responsibility. For our staff, we have focused on well-being and professional growth. Yoga and Zumba sessions, personalized counseling session for teachers, birthday celebrations, and a special Women's Day awareness session by a gynecologist have shown that we care for our teens' health and happiness. Today, as we celebrate 79 years of India's independence, let us remember that true freedom is sustained not by words alone, but by actions rooted in these values. Let us continue to guide our students to be not only accomplished scholars, but also responsible citizens who take care of our nation forward with integrity and pride. May the sight of our tricolor always remind us to dream fearlessly, work tirelessly, and serve selflessly. Jai Hind.